Welcome to tonight's Where's the Trade? My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and this is our nightly video where I talk about one stock with unusual option volume, explain the activity to you, and show you how to trade it. So one of the names I picked up today and wrote about to my premium members was this Pfizer Incorporated. So the activity that I picked up on that was really intriguing actually occurred into the April 31 contract. You could see that 7,200 contracts traded against 2,000 contracts. This is very clear with volume exceeding the open interest that there's something going on here. So we can either identify them as buyers or sellers, and the buyers are actually coming into this contract at 13 cents. So being that they're buying, and this is going to add to the open interest tomorrow and create more open interest. These contracts have 8 days to expiration, and prices closed up 72 cents at $31. So this is very intriguing because they are expecting prices to continue to go higher. Now, the April 30 contracts did trade as well. You see 19,000 against 23,000 of open interest. This could be closing transactions. The open interest we'll see tomorrow. A lot of that action traded mid-market and on the offer with some on the bid, so it's really a little bit difficult to really see. What I like to do is be able to identify clearly that there are buyers or sellers in this. If we take a look here at the weekly options as well, there's some interest in the 30 contracts. These were a little bit earlier with these contracts here, the 30/50s being bought. I think these are just more of a protection play, because if we take a look here at the chart on PFE, we notice that we are breaking out to new highs here. Now we want to come all the way back to the weekly. Is not going to be that important because these are short term, but they are, and this has been a stock that has been very strong. Well, and we also note as well that we have earnings coming on the 29th. This is after expiration, so I don't think it's really much of a play. To me, it just looks like more of a continuation, possibly with buyers rolling some of these positions from the 30 into the 31 because they expect a little bit more upside here. So these are a bit of a trade that is someone would refer to as a lotto ticket trade. I just don't like the fact that these deltas are 31 here. And the thing that you could look to possibly do is to sell the 31s in April here and possibly buy the 31s as well here in May and have a little bit more time for this to actually work out. So that is the way that I would assume of how to play this one. It is pretty elevated from the move here. You could see a little bit of a pause and then move higher. I don't know what else could be. It could be a catalyst driven event where next week some news comes out before expiration and that actually pops up to 31, but that calendar spread should work out for especially a stock like Pfizer. So this week I am going to be raising the prices of my SPX options course. This continues to be a very successful trade that I put on each and every week, and the prices are going to be going up $100 for each option. If you're interested, go over to the SPXoptionstradingcourse.com, click here to get started. I'll tell you everything that you need to do to get started and to get into the program and put on these trades that have each and every week. This week we're looking, and I'll know tomorrow for sure, we'll have a profit of potentially of 14% for the week with 2 days in the trade. So other than that, you could check out the website as well and download our 5-step formula to having more profitable and being more confident in your option trading.